Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook organic quinoa. First, measure 1 cup of organic quinoa. It's crucial to rinse it very well under cold, running water for at least 2 minutes. This step removes the natural saponins, which can make your quinoa taste bitter. A fine mesh sieve works best for this process, ensuring all grains are properly washed. Next, for every 1 cup of rinsed quinoa, you'll need 2 cups of liquid. You can use water or, for extra flavor, try vegetable broth. Combine the quinoa and liquid in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer. Allow the quinoa to simmer gently for about 15 minutes. It's important not to lift the lid during this time, as it traps the steam needed for even cooking. You'll know it's done when all the liquid has been absorbed and the quinoa appears fluffy. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 5 minutes. Finally, remove the lid and use a fork to gently fluff the quinoa. You'll see the tiny germs separate from the seed, giving it a light, airy texture. This step helps prevent clumping and ensures a perfect consistency. Your perfectly cooked organic quinoa is now ready to be enjoyed as a nutritious side dish or as a base for your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.